Hi, this is Lee Phillips. I'm an attorney and I'm doing a series on basically the formalities that are required in an LLC or a corporation in order to maintain the corporate shield so that when you get sued, they don't say, oh, this was just your alter ego. I want to talk for a second about documenting, I'm going to say, unusual expenses that the company makes. Now, things are deductible from a tax standpoint if they're ordinary and they're necessary. And most of the stuff that you do in your company, it's going to be obvious that it's ordinary and necessary. But there are things that happen that the company wants to pay for that might not be totally ordinary and necessary. So what you need to do is you need to have a resolution and a minute entry which describes why the company had to do this thing. It might be that you go to Hawaii and you want to deduct that trip. Well, for a plumbing business, that's not ordinary and necessary. But if you are going to see about setting up a franchise there, or if the convention for the franchisor is there, or if there's a reason to go, then we need a resolution that says company approves, or officers and directors or manager approves trip to Hawaii for John Doe in order to participate in franchisee training offered by franchisor, or in order to evaluate the possibility of setting up a company in Hawaii, or to learn how they do such and such in Hawaii. So you need to document that a little more than you would normally document something. Usually you don't give any reasons. But if the expense is not obviously ordinary or obviously necessary, then we've got to document it. And when the IRS comes to audit, they're going to ask for your corporate books. And these are the types of things they will be looking for in the corporate books. And if they see that, oh, trip to Hawaii, they go back to the books, they see that it was authorized, they see the explanation. That's going to be a lot better in their view than having you ho-hum around at that time and say, well, I actually did this and this and this when I went to Hawaii. If you've already got it taken care of, it's pretty cut and dried. So on those things that aren't ordinary or necessary, obviously, then we need to document them. This is Lee Phillips. I'm just trying to keep up your formalities in your company for you.